Everybody say cheese.
Cheese. Where are we going?
Kilimanjaro.
We're going to have sunshine in a minute.
Yeah, should be good.
Swap my glasses over, put on the shades.
We've got to the camp. Camp, yay!
Camp!
Yay.
Woohoo!
Camp! Woo-hoo!
Made it!
Camp, 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 camp! Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah, we made it.
Yo, mama.
Here comes Terry.
We have a space for you, Terry. Oh, thank you. There we go. Oh.
So, this is the tent. We're in the new tent. Looks very nice. Got a little charging station over there. Our bags in the middle. Some lying little things. Say hello, Terry.
Getting myself dried up.
Yeah, we've got our little sort of outside, what do you call that area?
Verandas? No.
Yeah, veranda. We got the veranda with all our boots, there's some wobbles, we're hanging our waterproof jackets up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this should be quite comfortable for the next few days.
Yes, it should be.
Yeah.
I agree.
So, day 2.
Oh, sugar.
On the way to Shira Camp on the Shira Plateau. Shira Camp 2. Should be good. Lots of uphill today.
This could be a nice day.
Should be good. Something's out. So we're about half an hour from our next camp. You can definitely feel there's less up here, less air up here. Last looked at my phone and it said we're about 3,800 meters up. Still climbing. Hello! So we've now made it to the Shira Cave Camp. We've just had lunch. It was lovely. Chicken and chips with some nice coleslaw. And now we've got the rest of the day to chill, admire the view, relax, whenever we feel like. Rumour has it there might be a bit of dancing or singing tonight. So that should be quite fun. So stay tuned. Hi, so we just left Shira Caves. We're now on the way up to the lava tower, which is about 4,600 meters. Yay!
Yep.
So it's been snowing for a while. We're about 4,500-ish, almost at the lava towers. How are you feeling, Richard?
I'm feeling good. Feeling good.
That's good. That's good. Bits of grey, still snowing. Some of the snow sticking to the ground. Ah, it's quite a marvellous ground. Here we go. So up ahead of us, that big rock, is the lava tower. And that's where we're going to be stopping for lunch. We'll get inside the nice big mess tent and have a nice bite to eat, warm drink. Should be good. Our lunchtime goal is in sight. Oh yeah. So we got some leek soup here. So we've made it to Barranco camp. As soon as we got here, I was very tired, so I just went straight to the tent, where I am now, and had a little nap. Listened to my book. It was good. After that, we had a really nice dinner. It was sort of really good sort of beef broth soup, and then afterwards, for a main course, we had pasta with a really great tomato sauce. It was great. I'm now feeling really excited about tomorrow. We've heard what it's going to be. We're going to be walking up some sort of cliff. It's going to be great, but you'll see tomorrow. So today we are off to Barranco, but first of all we have to do the Barranco wall, which is just up there. It's quite steep. It's going to be a bit of a scramble. There might be a bit of climbing involved. Should be fun. But the best bit about today is blue sky and amazing views. So here we go.
These bolts.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good to man.
So we now made it to the top of the Barranco wall. It was a bit tricky in stages. We had a few traffic jams. We met rush hour, sadly. But we made it, so that's the best bit.